Koba House stands out for its large, curved wooden ceiling, which creates a sensation of being inside a shipyard, as if we were observing the hull of a suspended boat. The conceptual essence is represented by a wooden plane forming the roof, gently resting on two blocks separated from each other. The very space between the private blocks creates the social area, which, beyond programmatic definitions, geometrically results in the intersection, or rather, the meeting. The house is organized into 4 functional blocks. The first block houses the family's private spaces, the master's suite, the TV room, which also serves as a secondary entrance through the garage, and the children's suite. The second block is dedicated to guest suites. The third block, lighter and more integrated, connects the 2 previous ones and concentrates the living areas: living room, internal and external kitchen, and a large front porch. Metal trusses were designed one by one to create the roof effect, as well as fulfilling the structural function of an economic portico between the wooden pillars. The house is located in Minas Gerais, Brazil, within the Serra da Mantiqueira, known for its cold, high-altitude climate. The land, situated 4,757 feet above sea level, has a steep slope and an area of 9.14 acres. The construction system is mixed, consisting of a wooden structure, steel trusses, ceramic structural masonry, and reinforced concrete. The materiality of the house highlights the use of wood and ceramics, reflecting the principles of biophilia in the choice of natural materials that connect us to time and life. The fourth block of the house, at the lower level, includes the garage, storage room, bathroom, wine cellar, and gym.